Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is our new series, UiPath interview questions and real-time scenarios. So in this series, we will pick real interview questions on that are commonly asked during RPA developer interviews, and we will show you how to confidently answer them step by step with logic, explanation, and implementation. So let's begin with today's questions. First question, that is, you have an Excel sheet with employee names and their login hours. How will you calculate the total login hours for a particular employee? Let's say employee A. Okay. And for employee AB, and login hours 4655. Okay. So what we need to do here is a sum of the only login hours where the employee is A. Okay, so in this case, total hours should be uh 4, this 4 and this 5 equals to 9. Okay, so yeah, so let's understand how to do this in UiPath step by step. So I'm going to the UiPath Studio. Okay, so we will use read range workbook. Okay, and before that, I will show you the Excel which I have prepared. Okay, so I take the two columns for employee and total login hours, AB, the same data which they have given. Okay, so AB 64655. Okay, in the same. Yeah, so I read it first in the UiPath Studio. Okay, just go to the path, desktop, and employee. Okay, the sheet name is sheet 1. Okay, yeah, just go to the properties and create a data type. Control K DT input. Okay, so yeah, so this will read the data into the data means data table variable. Okay, so now we have to tag variable. Okay, so I'm creating a variable called. Okay, so as I said before that we have means we have two ways to create a variable. Just go to the data manager. Okay, and just I'm creating a variable that is total hours. Okay, of integer type and set value default. Okay, so now we will loop through the data table using for each row. Okay, so just go to the activities and search for each row in data table. Okay, so yeah, so in the input, pass dt input. Okay, because we have created a dt table, dt means data table dt input. So so yeah, so this loop will go through each row one by one. Okay, inside the loop, we need to check if the current row belongs to the employee A or not. Okay, so for that, I am dragging the if condition in the body. Okay, so uh, I am taking condition that is current row, hmm, and the column is employee. Yeah, so employee column is in the Excel sheet. Dot to string dot to trim and equals to, and we are adding of A values. Okay. So yeah. So we are using a trim dot trim because just to in case there are extra space in the cell value. So okay. So now inside the then block, okay, I will add assign activity. Okay, just and I have created a total hour. Okay, I am passing here and total hour plus int current row login hours. Okay, so here we are converting login hours column value to integer using scene. Okay, because it's comes as a generic object. Okay, so just to save. After that, means after the loop end, we have to show the final result. Okay, so I am using message box. Okay, outside from the loop. So, so total login hours for employee A. Okay, and plus total hour dot toString. Okay, so just save this and run this. Hmm, still loading. Hmm. So let's see, 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So we got the correct result. Total login hours for employee A 9. Okay. So see, first what I did, I read the Excel using read range workbook. Okay. Into the data table, I used for each row to loop through it and applied condition to filter employee A. Okay. After that, I have added to the login um, hours using assign activity, and finally I showed the result using message box. Okay, so that was our first interview question solved using classic activities and simple logic. In the next video we will learn more. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.